It's time to fly. 2017 early bird airfares have landed at Andrew Jones Travel. Fly Singapore Airlines to exciting worldwide destinations. Take off to Europe with return economy airfares from just $13.06 per person. Or enjoy your holiday in true style with return business class flights from as little as $73.26 per person. Travel to exciting destinations all around the world. But hurry, as these incredible deals expire on 30 September. Book now and save with your Tasmanian owned and operated travel experts. Andrew Jones Travel.